Concrete jungle, crazy town. Everybody wears a frown, fighting over invisible lines. Such a waste of precious times. Postcode wars, what I need for. Postcode wars, looking on the elbow. Yeah. Grandpa fought in a real war. He'd shake his head when they more. From us keeps in us any fights. Burning down our precious life. Postcode wars, what are they for? Postcode wars, knocking on their door. Street bar, street bar, street bar, street bar, street bar, street bar, street bar. Street by street, I put it in feet. Call me this P, happy I'm free. Postcode wars, what are they for? Postcode wars, knocking on their door. Postcode wars. Little kids in the stairwell, arguing over a block name. Same shops, same crack pavements, still they're picking a side like a ball game. Mum's crying the whole way, candles drip on the cold floor. Nobody owns this concrete, so what you dying for? Postcode wars are a sin, granddad would be ashamed of the state we're in. How you be for stranger you ain't even met, over letters on a sign and a silhouette. Postcode wars are a sin, we all bleed red, same hair in our skin. If they saw us now from the place they rest, they shake their heads, say kids, do better than this. Granddad came in with one bag, 2 jobs, 1 dream, no sleep. He took hits from the real world so we could walk through the front street. Now we swing at each other for a corner that we don't own, man. Now we're fighting our reflection, throwing stones at our own home. Ask yourself, were you really protecting that boy's mum, praising your direction? Same bus route, same school gates, why you letting callers choose your fate? Postcode wars are a sin, granddad will be ashamed of the state we're in. How you be for stranger you ain't even met, over letters on a sign and a silhouette. Postcode wars are a sin, we all bleed red, same hair in our skin. If they saw us now from the place they rest, they shake their heads, say kids, do better than this.